if I say no?
I'll persuade you.
And what if the other guy says no?
There's a lot we'll have to bring you up to speed on if you're in.
If you fail, if the Tesseract is kept from us, there will be no realm where he cannot find you.
This is a man who means to start a war, and if we don't stay focused, he'll succeed.
And what will you do if I vow to spare him?
Turbine looks mostly intact, but it's impossible to get out there to make repairs while we're in the air.
We lose one more engine, we won't be.
Even if I clear the rotors, this thing won't re-engage without a jump. I'm gonna have to get in there and push.
Well, if that thing gets up to speed, you'll get shredded.
And Captain, none of this is gonna mean a damn thing if we don't close that portal.
If you want to get up there, you're gonna need a ride.
If it's all the same to you, I'll have that drink now.
If you keep interviewing yourself, eventually people are gonna figure it out.
I told him that if he ever messes with Jarhanpur again, he'll have to personally answer to me.
Might take a while. What if the Kryptonian shows up?
Don't worry. When creating a pocket universe, if you are just one picometer off, you will have a black hole where Earth used to be.
But if I send you this, Jimmy, you have to promise me we get to hang this weekend.
If we can't find him, we'll need to draw him out.
There won't be a Baravia, or a Metropolis, or a planet Earth if you don't get here soon.
But if I ever hit fuck it, I'll look you up.
If you're lucky, your mutant genes will activate and manifest in a spectacular fashion.
If this doesn't unlock your mutation, then, well, nothing will. If your brainwave's slow, meaning you're about to pass out, then we'll turn up the O2. If your heart rate slows, meaning you're able to catch your breath, we'll turn it back down.
I'm gonna work through his crew until somebody gives up Francis, force him to fix this.
If you accept, your payment will be triple your current annual salary.
And if anything goes wrong, use your power. They will kill you if they get the chance. Dash, if anything goes wrong, I want you to run as fast as you can. If the time comes, you'll know what to do.
No one will be.
I'm not strong enough.
If we work together, you won't have to be.
If he even sneezes, we'll be there with a hanky and a pair of handcuffs.
Well, if there is a problem, I'll drop this thing and come right back.
If you're going to take on Claw, you'll need the best the design group has to offer.
Yeah, I'll send you the SoundCloud link if you like.
If he gets control of our technology, nowhere will be safe.
We both know the power of vibranium. If Killmonger gains control of it, who do you think he will come for next?
What if I'm not Dad? Not what? The future of House Atreides. And if your answer is no, you'll still be the only thing I ever needed you to be. My son.
Have other prospects. If he fails his promise.
If the Duke's son lives.
No Atreides will live.
Name what you want. If it's in my power to grant, I'll give it and ask for nothing.
If you get a little higher, you'll have a better view.
You know what will happen if I don't get spice production back on track? If anything happens, will you protect our son?
If you bite down hard, this tooth will crash. Breathe out, and you will fill the air with poison. It will be your last breath. But if you choose your moment well, it will also be the Baron's.
If I go south, I might lose you.
You will never lose me.
Paul is alive. And if he defeats Feyd-Rautha, my father...
Your father will lose the throne no matter who prevails.
Send a warning to all ships. If the Great Houses attack, our atomics will obliterate all spice fields.
Well, if we don't try, we'll never know, will we?
You're a disgrace to Kung Fu, and if you have any respect for who we are and what we do, you will be gone by morning. Well, if he's going to stay here, he should know.
Tai Lung is on his way here right now. And even if it takes him 100 years to get here, how are you gonna change this into the Dragon Warrior?
If you continue on your current path, you will find yourself at the bottom of the stairs.
But if we stand up to Shin, he will turn the weapon on the city.
If all of those weapons leave the building, China will fall.
If you only do what you can do, you will never be more than you are now.
So you're saying if I teach, I'll be able to do cool stuff like that?
No, I'm saying if you teach, I'll be able to do cool stuff like that. It took me 500 years to take Oogway's chi. I will have yours if it takes me 500 more!
You know what? If I ever meet a sea turtle, I'll ask him.
after I'm done talking to the shark, okay?
If you're asked where I'm going, I'll tell you that's where I'm going. It's P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
You want to be safe?
Oh, for crying out loud, Marty, would you...
And if you need me, I'll be over here, on the fun side of the island, having a good old time. I promise you I'm gonna find you a steak tomorrow that kills me.
It take me a while to pull the files from the archive, but if it proves your arrogant ass wrong...
Look, if you're not gonna start making sense, I'm just gonna have to put this thing back on.
And if you take that child's power, she won't survive.
Turn to Comertage and prepare to hand over America Chavez by sundown.
And if we don't?
Then it won't be Wanda who comes for her. It will be the Scarlet Witch. If you give me what I want, I'll send you to a world where you can be with Christine. For Billy and Tommy, to protect them. What if they get sick?
Perhaps if I can pull you from under the rubble, the spell will break.
I'll let you use the Darkhold if you give me your Christine.
If I sit and think about my brother for too long, it won't be these clothes I'll burn. To be the world, everyone in it.
If we do what he is asking for now, what is to stop him from coming back and asking for more?
Alert me if your government decides to act on their suspicions.
And if Wakanda does not accept, what then?
The scientists will die. And Wakanda will be the first nation to fall. If you tell the Americans about us, if you try to find us, or if I discover a single Wakanda ship in the ocean, I will kill the princess.
If we could find a way to dry his ass out, he won't be as strong.
If we survive this, I want you to know you have a home with me in Haiti. If you go to war for vengeance, it will not fill the hole left from her loss. It will only grow larger, and it will consume you.
I'm gonna play in Mariachi Plaza if it kills me. If it's all right with you, I'm gonna play in the plaza. Only De La Cruz. If you can't help me, I'll find it myself.
If we help you get his photo, you will return home. No more music.
If you forget him, he'll be gone. Forever.
If you don't try anything new, you'll never fail.
Just call me if you ever need anything.
And if you want this pen, you're going to help me find this poor missing otter. I'm not leaving. This is a crime scene.
Well, it's going to be an even bigger crime scene if Mr. Big finds me here, so we're leaving right now.
So intimidate me all you want. I'm going to find out what you did to that otter if it's the last thing I do.
Get to a bow.
They may not have...
Well, if you show them how good you are. If they don't have a bow, then you make one, okay? You know how to hunt.
I don't think we're gonna find this funny if the game makers decide to take it out.
On who?
Okay, so if we hear that, it means we're okay and we'll be back real soon.
I want to see if she's gonna figure out this booby trap.
You know that if you choose to leave, you may never return. Who will I be if I stay?
If you take me there, I'm sure I'll find Ares.
If it is used, it will kill everyone on both sides. They will all die.
If I'm going to a gala, I'll need to know how
You're
to
not
dance.
going to the gala.
Of course I am.
If you believe that this war should stop, if you want to stop it, help me stop it right now. Because if you don't, they will kill thousands more.
If we can get on the radio, we can ask Flying Corps to shoot her down.
No, if it crashes, it'll wipe everyone out for 50 square miles.
If I don't, turn things around and do something with my gifts, I don't think it's gonna really work out for me.
If you want to kill me, it's going to take more than a little blade.
If you cannot contain Katniss Everdeen, I will have to terminate her.
If they call his name, I'll volunteer in his place.
I don't know what they'll do if they find him here.
If Katniss Everdeen fails to fulfill her duties, the deal will be off.
I want to go.
And if you're killed?
Make sure you get it on camera. If Snow's watching this, maybe he'll let the signal in if he sees me.
If we don't take District 2, we won't get into the capital.
If our armies make it past peacekeepers and other defenses, we'll converge in the center of the city at Snow's mansion. If we die, let it be for a cause and not a spectacle. If we succeed, let it be for all of Pan Am and let it be forever.
If it gets to that point, I'll kill you myself.
If I see you again, it's gonna be a different world.
But if the garrison falls, our only escape is Bifrost. We won't last long if we stay. If I let her leave, she'll consume 9 realms and all the cosmos.
If I turn into the Hulk again, Banner may never come back. If I turn into the Hulk, I am never gonna come back again.
I'll get that sword
even if I have to kill every single one of them to do it.
If he gets his hands on all 6 stones, Tony.
Conversely, it may also be his best chance against us. Well, if we don't do our job.
If he gets all 6 Infinity Stones, he can do it with the snap of his fingers like this. If we don't go to nowhere and Thanos retrieves another stone, he'll be too powerful to stop.
What if I miss that train?
If things go wrong, if Thanos gets me, I want you to promise me you'll kill me.
If it comes to saving you, or the kid, or the time stone, I will not hesitate to let either of you die.
If life is left unchecked, life will cease to exist.
You're about to take the full force of a star. It'll kill you. Only if I die.
Earl. He's gonna go straight to jail if we name him Earl.
If you want to be a contract killer, you gotta handle a mop before you handle a gun.
I see a single broom in the air. The one riding it will find themselves out of Hogwarts before they can say Quidditch.
But I've never even played Quidditch. What if I make a fool of myself?
But if he comes back, you don't think he'll try to kill you, do you?
If something bad happens, get yourselves out.
You have to relax. If you don't, it'll only kill you faster.
If you put another toe out of line, we'll bring you straight home!
What do you mean? If Harry and I drink that stuff, we'll turn into Crab and Goyle.
They're dead scared that Harry will petrify them if they fly anywhere near him.
If the governors desire my removal, I will, of course, step aside.
Follow the spiders. If Hagrid ever gets out of Azkaban, I'll kill him.
If you die down there, you're welcome to share my toilet.
I need you to sign this form.
What is it?
Nothing. School stuff.
Later, perhaps, if you behave.
I will if she does.
Then you wait and see if he bows back. And if he does, you can go and touch him. If not, well, we'll get to that later.
We'll show you a quicker way if you pipe down.
If you succeed tonight, more than one innocent life may be spared.
If you just go bursting in, you'll think you've gone mad.
All right, I'll take it upstairs if you don't settle.
If it rains, you'll be the first to know.
After tonight, if they speak of you, they'll speak only of how you begged for death.
I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
Don't break ranks if one of us is killed.
Sirius, what are you doing here? If somebody sees you...
If we're going to be attacked, it won't be risk-free.
If I'm ever rude to you again...
Only you've gone back to normal.
If we hurry, we should still make the morning edition.
That's private.
Not to the Dark Lord if you don't improve. You won't last 2 seconds if he invades your mind.
Do you mind if I use the loo?
No, of course.
Do you mind if I take this?
And he won't return until term resumes.
So if you don't mind, I will be going now.
It's your job, Harry, to make sure I keep drinking this potion. Even if you have to force it down my throat.
If you sneeze, the ministry will know who wipes your nose.
If we kill them, they'll know we were here.
Do what everybody else is doing. If we do that, then with a bit of luck, we'll get inside.
And if that doesn't work? I'd say if we don't locate Umbridge within the hour, we go find Ron and come back another day. If you get us past the guards and into the vault, the sword's yours.
If she gives us away, we might as well use that sword to slit our own throats.
He knows if we find and destroy all the Horcruxes, we'll be able to kill him.
I think it's best if you two talk alone.
If we die for them, Harry, I'm gonna kill you!
Find out where he is. If we find him, we can find the snake.
If you do not do this, I shall kill every last man, woman, and child who tries to conceal you from me.
I think if you so desired, you'll be able to board a train.
What if I am put in Slytherin?